Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix this issue when you are trying to install any add-on for your Google Workspace. So for example, for Google Slides, Docs, Drive, Gmail, and so on and so forth. And for example, I wanted to install this ChatGPT for Doc Sheets. And once I click install, it doesn't work properly. So what you can do is go ahead and delete your cookies. So you want to go ahead, if you're using Chrome, you want to go ahead and click on the three dots at the top and click on settings. Once you are on settings, click on privacy and security. After that, go ahead to third-party cookies. And then click on see all site data and permissions. Now you want to go ahead on the search bar and search for Google Slides, for example. And now you will see this Google option and you're going to see all of these. Try to find Google Slides or basically you can delete everything if you want to. So for example, I'm just going to delete docs.google.com because it's how it says on Google Slides. Just click delete and delete. After that, your problem should be fixed. If not, try deleting cache. Here on settings, go on clear browsing data and choose the cookies and other site data and also cached images and files and clear the data, and your problem should be fixed. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.